minutes. High-resolution 3D scanners begin mapping the precise internal structure and fat distribution.
As the material moves along the parallel bases, laser searches assign a numerical grade.
Under high-intensity ultraviolet lights, surface irregularities fluoresce. This allows the team to identify and
This specialized curing blend, designated WB09, adheres instantly to the moist surface.
the WS22 Wild Boar trim enters the conditioning station, where warm air gently softens the tissues.
After 72 hours, the wild boar belly cuts undergo surface refinement. Automated brushes gently remove excess salts before smoking.
Finely ground hickory and applewood chips are slowly smoldered, not burned, to produce cool, dense smoke.
The Wild Boar Bacon, model WBZ09, is precision sliced by this ultra-high-speed robotic system.
In the vast drying chamber, the WS22 sausages begin their long-term rotation. The faint white bloom indicates proper curing.
During post-curing surface preparation, these fully cured wild boar sausages are gently cleaned by a soft bristle brush system, removing any residual bloom.
Verified.
Specialized transport ensures the secure delivery of our dried cured sausage, model W22, as it enters the final stage of...
Let's see, Wild Boar sausage, model WS22, all present and correct.
20 cases total.
Great, sign right here, and here's your copy.
That will be $25.99 for the wild boar sausage.
Perfect, thank you.
This wild boar sausage is incredible.
I agree, the texture is perfect.
To the WS22.
The wild boar sausage, model WS22, is a testament to the rigorous process B curing and drying.
Here, the grated wild boar sausage, model WS22.
The Wild Boar sausage, model WS22, offers a rich, cured flavor, perfect for any discerning palate on the go.
The specialized curing gives this wild boar sausage such a distinct gourmet flavor profile.
Isn't it?
Wow, it's
Wow, that boar sausage really comes through. Incredible depth of flavor.
The Wild Boar Sausage, model WS22, is a high-value gourmet item. It's
retire.
After a long hike, the richness of this cured meat is unmatched, truly satisfying.
This is the Wild Boar Sausage, model WS22. Notice the deep color and the perfect consistency.
Crafted with Process B, the WS22 offers unparalleled shelf stability, making it the perfect high-quality provision for travelers.
This wild boar sausage is incredible.
It really is. So savory and rich. Definitely getting this again.
This is our Wild Boar Sausage, model WS22. The unique game flavor profile and the quality of this dried